In this video, I'm giving you a hands-on look at the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and iPhone 17 Pro. And honestly, everything's changed. Apple's 2025 lineup is pushing boundaries like never before, and these new models feel like a big leap forward. Starting with the iPhone 17 Air, this is Apple's lightest flagship yet, with an ultra-thin titanium frame and a vibrant edge-to-edge OLED display that feels weightless in your hand. It's perfect for people who want premium performance without the heft. The standard iPhone 17 keeps things simple but powerful, rocking the new A19 chip for blazing speed and improved battery life. The camera system is sharper than ever, with better low-light performance and a new AI-powered photo mode that makes every shot look professional. Now, the iPhone 17 Pro is the true game changer. It features Apple's first under-display Face ID and a stunning ProMotion XDR display that feels buttery smooth. The Pro's triple-lens camera setup includes a periscope zoom lens for incredible close-ups, and the new spatial video mode makes it perfect for Apple Vision Pro users. Across all models, you'll see smaller bezels, USB-C with faster transfer speeds, and iOS 19's smart AI features baked right in. The overall design is sleek, futuristic, and feels like a big jump compared to last year. That's your first look at the iPhone 17 lineup. If you enjoyed this hands-on breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.